In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excalidraw in Obsidian. If you want to add hand-drawn style diagrams, sketches, or mind maps directly inside your notes, this plugin is perfect. Let's get started. First, make sure the Excalidraw plugin is already installed and enabled in Obsidian. You can do this through the Community Plugins section. And once it's active, you are ready to begin using it. To create your first drawing, you'll use the command palette. On Windows, press Ctrl and P, and on Mac, press Command and P. This opens a quick search box for commands inside Obsidian. In the search bar, type Create New Excalidraw Drawing. When you select it, a blank Excalidraw canvas will open. Here you can start building your visuals. You can add shapes, text, arrows and freehand drawings to map out ideas, illustrate concepts, or visually connect your thoughts. It feels simple and fluid, almost like sketching on digital paper. You can also insert Excalidraw drawings directly into your notes. To do that, open the command palette again and search for Insert Excalidraw Drawing into Active Note. This places the drawing inside your current note, letting you combine your text and visuals in one place. The great thing about using Excalidraw inside Obsidian is that it keeps everything linked together within your vault, so your notes become more interactive, engaging, and easier to understand. And that's it. Now you know how to start creating and using Excalidraw drawings in Obsidian to take your notes to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.